For exercise P2-3, we're going to be doing a metric drawing. So I'm again going to go to the new button, but this time I'm going to select metric, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And in the third row from the bottom, we'll see standard millimeter IPT. So I'll double click on that, and that puts us into a metric template. Now I can begin drawing this particular piece. So I'm going to go across the bottom, and this is going to go 50, up 20, then it's going to go over 40. I'm not going to dimension that because I know that I'm going to be using it for, or using a constraint to get that particular distance put in. This is over 40, up 40, out 20, up 30, and I'm going to undo that line segment, even though I could just go back and put a constraint on it here in a minute. I really do want to make it as vertical as possible so that everything looks normal. So this goes up 30, and then this is going to go over 50. I'll put my down angle in, coming back up, and we'll deal with the rest of those constraints here in a few minutes. So now this comes down 10, this goes in 10, and this should be going down an additional 50, then it comes back out 10, and it closes off. Now there's some places where I know I needed constraints. For example, I wanted an equal constraint between here and here. That's going to lock in everything up to the point where I've got these two lines up here that are not green. The distance across those, this being 40, is going to lock this in to the dimension that it needs to be. The depth of these is 20, and these are 30 each. So that's everything that's needed for this particular sketch. So I can now finish this sketch, and I'll go ahead and extrude this piece, its thickness of 12 millimeters. Once you've extruded this, you can go ahead and save this as exercise P2-3, and you're ready to submit.